Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 9 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 68 on trigonometry. Let us start with the first question. Given 4 cot A is equal to 3, the value of sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A is equal to. Fine. What is given for us? 4 cot A is equal to 3. If 4 cot A is equal to 3, we can say cot A is equal to 3 upon 4. Cot A value is 3 upon 4. Let us try to have a triangle here, right triangle. Let me have right angle at B. Let us take this as A and this as C. So we are taking vertices ABC in that way, where at angle at B the angle is 90 degrees. Fine. Now, if it is cot A 3 by 4, how can you write it? Cot A. Cot is defined as adjacent, the ratio of adjacent side to opposite side. So this is 3 units as well as this is 4 units. Fine. Then by using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that AC is equal to 5 units. 3, 4, 5. They constitute a Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Now 3, 4, 5 we have. Now based on this, let us try to define what is sin A, what is cos A. Thereby we can find out the value of sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A. Now, sin A is given as, how do you define sin A as? Opposite side to A by hypotenuse. That is nothing but 4 upon 5. Similarly, cos A. How can you define cos A? Adjacent side to A by hypotenuse. That is 3 upon 5. That is cos A. Therefore, now we want sin A plus cos A upon sin A minus cos A. That is otherwise 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5 upon 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Now this is to be simplified. If you observe here, these two are like fractions. Simply add up the numerators. 4 plus 3, that is 7 upon 5 divided by here 4 minus 3, that is 1 upon 5. So 5 cancels and resultant answer is 7 for us. So the value of sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A is nothing but 7. 7 is nothing but first option. That is the right answer. Okay. Let us see the next question. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, given 15 cos A minus 8 sin A is equal to 0. So according to the question, we have a right angle at B. Fine. Let us take this as angle A and this is C. Fine. So vertices we are taking as AC and B, because here he is saying that it is right angle at B. So we are taking B. Okay. Angle B 90 degrees. Now, one more thing is given for us, that is 15 cos A minus 8 sin A is equal to 0. 15 cos A minus 8 sin A 0 means E is equal to 8 sin A, right? Now, if I simplify this, so cos A by sin A, that is cot A is going to be 8 upon 15. That is the value of cot A for us. In this right angle triangle, if you observe, cot is defined as adjacent side to A by opposite side. So what is that? This is 8 units and whereas it is 15 units. So if it is 8 and 15, this AC will be 17 units. Because this is the Pythagorean triplet. Okay? 8, 15, 17, they constitute a Pythagorean triplet. Now, based on this information, we have to find out whatever he is asking us to find. Sin A plus cos A by 2 cos A minus sin A. Here let me define what is sin A. Sin A is nothing but opposite side to A by hypotenuse, that is 15 upon 17. Similarly, what is cos A? Adjacent side to angle A by hypotenuse, that is 8 upon 17. Now these values let us substitute in the given expression. So we have sin A plus cos A by 2 cos A minus sin A, that is given by sin A means 15 by 17 plus 8 by 17, that is cos A value, by 2 into cos A, 2 into 8 by 17 minus 15 by 17, that is sin A value. That is to be simplified further. Both are like fractions, add up the numerators. 15 plus 8, that is 23 by 17 upon, here 2 8s are 16 minus 15 upon 17, because both here also we have both fractions like fractions. So here that is otherwise 17 cancels. Finally we are going to have the resultant as 23 upon 1 that is simply we can say it as 23. So the value of sin A plus cos A by 2 cos A minus sin A is 23. Okay, 23 is nothing but third option. That is the right answer. Let us see the next question. In a right triangle ABC, right angle at B, given 15 cos A minus 8 sin A is 0. Similar, same question of course. Okay. Already we have seen it. At B we have right angle. This is A and this is C. As per this, we have cot A as 8 by 15. So this is 8 units, 15 units, and of course this is 17 units. That is what we have. Now, you want the answer for 15 cot A plus 17 sin A. Okay, so 15 cot A plus 17 sin A upon 8 tan A plus 16 secant A. This is what he is asking us to find out. Now, 15 into cot A is already given, that is 8 by 15 plus 17 into sin A. Sin A, what is sin A? Opposite side to A by hypotenuse, that is 15 upon 17 divided by 8 tan A. How do you define tan A as? Opposite to A by adjacent to A, that is 15 upon 8 plus 16 into secant A. How do you define secant A? Secant A is defined as hypotenuse by adjacent side to A, that is 17 upon 8. 17 upon 8. If you simplify, 15 cancels, 17 cancels here, 8 and 8 cancels here, 8 ones are and 8 twos are. So finally what we are going to have here, 8 plus 15 upon 15 plus, this is 2 times of 17, that is 34. 34. So 8 plus 15, what is 8 plus 15 value? That is nothing but 23 upon 49. 23 upon 49 is the right answer for us. That is first option. Let us see the next question. Similar question, 15 cos A minus 8 sin A is equal to 0. Let us take it the same way. This is angle B, this is A, this is C. We have cot A, here also we have cot A as 8 by 15. So this is 8 units and this is 15 units. Of course this is 17 units because they constitute a Pythagorean triplet. Now what do you need now? Cosecant A minus secant A by cosecant A plus secant A. What is cosecant A for us? Cosecant is defined as hypotenuse by opposite side to A, that is 17 upon 15 minus. How do you define secant A? Secant A is defined as hypotenuse by adjacent side to A, that is 17 upon 8 upon here 17 upon 15 plus 17 upon 8. If you simplify further, 17 in numerator, 17 in denominator, you can cancel them. Now we are left with 8 minus 15 by 8 plus 15. Find out the LCM, then you can simplify in this way. That is minus 7 upon, this is 23. Minus 7 by 23 is the right answer. That is the third option. Okay. So that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.